Oh, I have an incoming happy mail from my new pal Lauri, who's Measure Once, Cut Twice here on YouTube and Instagram. And I thought I'd come on and do a quick unboxing. So I have her cute little card here, and she wrote the funniest note. And thank you, Lauri. It's so cute. Look at that little kitty. Adorable. So I'm going to open this little guy here first. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, I saw her video on this. It's her pedestal that she created from a cut file. Oh my gosh. I friggin' love this. It's so cute. Yes, look at this. Lauri, this is adorable. I saw her tutorial and honestly, this is so cute. I'm super obsessed and I'm so going to keep it as a decor piece in my house during Halloween. Okay, so this is her project. So we agreed upon before swapping to create something that the other person had already created and use it as inspiration and make it their own. So I'm a huge fan of the shaker loaded hoops, and I use that as her inspiration for her to create and share, create something for me. So she used a picture that I sent her as inspiration, and I'm just gonna dive right into this. Oh my gosh, girl, this is so cute. Look at this hoop. Oh my gosh. It is adorable. So the stuff is oozing out. I mean, she's jam-packed this thing, but look at this sequence in this bad boy. Oh my god, I love the layered doilies that you put on here too. And so she wrote me, you know, I had to make a stuffed bag, even a teeny one. So my inspiration was a loaded envelope that she had sent to me and I had recreated, and it's so funny. So she created this little tiny one and it's still jam-packed in here. Oh, look at this cute little tag that she created with this glittery clock. Is this the Tim Holtz die? How fun is this? I love that. Love what you created with this. So cute. A little witchy tool clip that she got. Love. And let's see what's in this big pocket here. Oh, how cute. A little shaker mason jar. I love this. And she sewed it. Little details. She put bow. Oh, God, so cute. Another layered tag. And look at you and your layers. Working on it. Little string details in the back. She did a little stamping. And here she cut out some little teeny tiny bats. Oh my god, where did you get these bats from? I need to know. And some Halloween bows. So cute. Made for you. By Measure Once, Cut Twice. Love it. Thank you, Lauri. Oh, here we go. And there's some cut aparts in here. Just gotta open this up. Oh, okay. That came out quickly. And let's see what's inside here. Oh, and she shared, I think this is the pink plate paisley Halloween line. Thank you so much for sharing. I love it. The vintage vibe. She decorated this little bag so cute with this little topper on the top. Okay. Let's see. Let's get into this. Oh, wow. Look at this bag. This silhouette of a spooky chandelier. And, oh, okay. Here's the staples. Open this. Oh my god, look how cute these rosettes are. I love this. I love the die that you use. I don't know if it's a die or if you use your electric cutting machine, but look at the little enamel witch. How cute are these on top of the spider webs? Love, 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 love the details. Thank you, Lauri. And in here, we have some telephone embellies. So cute. Sorry for the glare. And she just put, this one she put a little vellum behind it and just all the layers, and this one is so cute on some black glitter paper. So cute. Oh, and she used the Prima doily die. I know that die because I have it too in my stash. Ooh, look at this. I love that you use that Hobby Lobby trim to create this flower. So cute. Okay, so let me just open this and see what's inside. Wait, are these loaded? Oh no, this little kitty fell off. How cute. Where did you get these little enamels? They're so cute. So this little kitty fell off this little envelope here, and it is a little mini, I guess it's a mini envelope. Oh, how cute is this? I love this little mini envelope embellishment, and this little kitty is so cute. Probably never use this. Oh, this little like crystally flower. Did you put the little, this diamond dust all over it? So cute. Hello, beautiful. And then we have another little envelope here. Oh my god, I love this paper from Joann's. So cute with the little witch, little mini rosette, or a little layering. I love it. And this bag, so well decorated. Love the little washi layering. I have to be better about that as well. A little rosette. Oh, so cute. Ooh, and here she shared some felt Halloween stickers, little ghosties. I'm just going to open these up. Oh, okay. There's some hot glue business over here, so I'm going to have to ruin this topper, unfortunately. Oh, wait. Is there a bottom? Oh, why did I do that? Of course. Here we go. We have some pumpkins, some bats, little kitties, another pumpkin, some glow in the dark. Oh, I love these little ghosties. So cute. Thank you for sharing, Lauri. Okay, put that away. And here is little coffee cup and bellies that she used. Oh my god, how cute are these? I love them. I mean, she added the tiniest little bats. I need to know where you get these little bat punch. Is it decorated at the top? So she actually used, like, I guess like a cheesecloth that she added this Dollar Tree spider that I love as well, and gave it a little spooky spiderweb feel. Love the way you decorated these. So cute. Oh my god. Look at these roses. So pretty. I actually just got this die recently, and I love how you decorated these. So cute. I am so good to use these. So cute. And thank you so much for creating them. And yes, I love these stickers. I only have one pack, so thank you for sharing with me so much, Lauri. And here is her shaker hoop. So it did pretty well in the mail. She has tons of sequins in here, fun sequins, black and white, tissue paper. I mean, look at this. It's loaded. And she did layering of the doilies. And oh my god, look at these small little black glitter butterflies. These have to be the smallest butterflies I've ever seen. I love it. Oh my god, and the paper that she used, I think this is the My Mind's Eye collection, and I love it. I love the traditional Halloween, and this was so cute with her little label. Lauri, thank you so much. This is such a fun swap. I think you did an amazing job for your first loaded hoop, and all the goodies. So cute. Your creations are fantastic, and you are amazing at your layers. So thanks again. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.